Ocha Pico, I am calling you from a hotel bedroom.
Hotel bedroom pa? Why inside the hotel bedroom? Are you, wait you, Chapala? Are you a cleaner in the hotel?
No, Ocha. My boyfriend, he
did what? What did he do? He did what?
Ojidem na.
Now, Ojideg, Ebina Meganede.
It was Emeka, his boyfriend, that deceived me, and I followed him to this hotel. So we were inside when he came in.
Ha! Njavia, Nenda Warocho. Now tell me, what are you doing inside the bedroom?
Ocha, I am confused.
I know that you are confused, and that is why you are calling me. I know. So answer me, what are you doing inside there?
My boyfriend saw us, but he was not angry. He just called me baby and asked me to dress up so that we can go home to his house. Ocha.
Hey!
Ocha, do you think he has forgiven me?
Forgive, pa? It's him forgive. Forgive again. Biangma, can't you use your head? You drop a colisi. Can't you use your head? Then take on if in this matter, forgiveness is when your boyfriend catches you red-handed with another man. He smiles to you and ended up telling you, baby, wear your clothes to let us go home. That is what is called forgiveness. But do you know what is suicide mission? Suicide mission is when you will be very, very stupid. Stupid enough to think that he has forgiven you, and you wear your clothes and follow him home. That is what is called suicide mission. Shut up. No, mechia. Atunu chika bonu na ekwero. Close your leg, you will not hear. You are crying. Now, how big is the window of that toilet? Can it pass you?
Ocha, you know now, the toilet window is always very small now.
Ha! Nene bavu ke mama intercom there. Check if there is intercom there. Check it.
Ocha, no intercom here.
So many hotels that I know, they have intercom inside the toilet. Wait, are you sure? Are you sure it's not this local? How much did you How much did you pay for that hotel room?
Ocha, it's 1.5.
Ha! It's 1.5. 1 Ganade, 1.5. And there is no AC there.
Yes.
No water heater.
Yes.
Do you have fan inside there?
Just small fan, but it is not working.
Ha! Baby, it didn't know It didn't know cheap. It didn't know it got wrong cha. There is nothing remaining. We have to wait for morning news. Wait for any news in the morning that has a title like boyfriend kill girlfriend. Reason girlfriend cheating. Ha! Ngaga din ka wono cha. O ka pachi kuno ngwego. Kasi din ka room 1.5. Dito din pala dive. Ha! Ndowa!